guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are playing Roblox Facility, and guys, I switched back to this avatar because my old avatar's shirt got removed off the catalog. Okay, so I'll be wearing this one for the moment until I find another avatar to wear. Okay, so I am a survivor, and hey girl, hey. You're lagging. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so bad. Okay, so the beast is in my room. Oh gosh, I'm out. I'm so out. Oh gosh, that laggy person is probably gonna get hit. Yeah. Yep. Oh my gosh, Jenna. I think it is Jaina. I'm not sure how you pronounce that name, but no. Hello. Oh. Okay, Mimi's gonna get her. Gosh, the beast is right behind me. Yes. Go. Mimi, run, girl. Oh my gosh. Oh no, I think she got Mimi. Did she? I think that was a broken hammer, actually. Ooh. Now she might have gotten her. Oh my gosh. Oh, she did not. Yes. So let's go. Come on, Mimi. This way. We need to escape the beast. Oh, hello. Wait, you cannot hit me. Mimi, run, girl. She's gonna get you if you stay there. Or she's gonna go for me. Oh, wow. Run. Oh, never mind. I think she got Mimi now. I really hope Mimi's safe. Oh my gosh. Ooh, she's back. Oh, this is not good. No, Mimi. Okay, let's go. No, woo. Go, girl. Yes. Oh my gosh. Where is the beast coming through now? Okay, let's hack this computer. Yes, it is almost done. Let's go. Yes, we're down to 3 computers now. And I think I'm lagging, guys. I don't know. What? Oh my gosh, how did you do that? Like, how did the beast hit me? The beast wasn't even near me. Oh my gosh, seriously? She even got a Mimi. Oh well. But look, guys, that was an air hit. It might have been my lag or the beast's lag. Yeah, definitely my lag. Oh well. Hey, save me. Yes, thank you. Okay, guys, so I think that everybody's lagging because look at this girl. She's lagging too. Oh my gosh. I don't know what is up with this lag. Hey. Come on, Mimi, we got this. Let's hack this computer quickly. Come on. Oh no, Rose. Okay, let's go save Rose. This way. Come on. Don't worry, Rose. We got you. Hurry. Let's go. Yes. Back to the cafeteria we go. Oh, we have company. Oh, I'm so caught. I'm caught. Go. Oh my gosh. Oh, that was so close. No, Jaina. Okay, Mimi hacked that computer, which is good. Come on, Jaina. Let's go, girl. Hurry. Got hit again. Oh my gosh, I kind of feel bad, guys. because she's kind of lagging. Yeah, I'm lagging too. Can't you see that she's running in one place? Oh, this is so laggy. Yeah. I'm so loud because I think that everybody is good. I mean, I'm lagging, so I can't do anything. Oh, there you go. Lag stopped, finally. I don't know, guys, but I see the beast. Oh, I'm sorry, Mimi. I can't save you for the moment. I don't know, guys, but I feel that Roblox is so laggy nowadays. Oh, wait. Don't you dare hit me. Don't you do it. Don't you do it, okay? Let's see. Mimi did hack. I think I hacked it with her, actually. I'm not sure if I did hack this computer, but still. Okay. Oh, yes. Okay, there is extra here and exits are open, so I will try to unlock this one and then hack extra. Oh no, I'm lagging. I can't even open the exit. Guys, this is so not fair. I can't open it. You know what? I'm out. See ya. What on earth? How did that even happen? I'm starting to hate this lag. Oh my gosh. This is so bad. This is so bad, guys. I cannot with this lag. I really cannot. Like, I didn't even see the beast near me. How did I go in the tube? Oh my gosh. Dark Rose now is captured. Oh no, 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 no. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so bad. Come on. Why is the beast in the room? Oh man. Listen, Rose, I'm trying, but I really don't want to risk it because of my health. Oh my gosh. This is kind of impossible with lag. Yes, Mimi got Rose. Come on, everybody out. Everybody out. This exit isn't even open. Oh my gosh. Okay, Jaina escaped. That is good. Yes, finally exit unlocked. Okay, I'm gonna tell them that both of the exits are now open. There you go. Now let's try to go hack extra, shall we? Ooh, hey Rose. Beautiful roses. Let's go. Oh, Mimi said she's trapped. Where is she trapped actually? Okay guys, now that we hacked this computer, we're gonna go search for Mimi because she said she's trapped. And I think she's trapped where Rose was last captured, right? Huh, she's not here. Mimi, where are you trapped exactly? Wow, the beast is here. Gotta go. Okay, good thing it made me escape. Oh my gosh, if she got me because of lag again, I was gonna be so mad. Let's hope that they can escape. Oh, yes, GG. Round 2, and I am a survivor again. Okay, there is a computer at the middle, as I saw. Yes, indeed. Let's hack this computer. And let's hope we can escape safely this time and not attempt to lag, okay? Because if we lag, I'm gonna be so very, 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 very upset. God, this Yes, 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 yes. Okay. There is another computer here. Open this up and let's try to hack the control room computer. Oh my gosh. Yes, got this. One more computer to hack, and I think that there is one at... Yes, there is one at the anime. Never mind, it was hacked. I didn't even get to hack that computer. I bet they're laughing right now. Yeah, see, that's a lol. Rip, I didn't get credit. Exits unlocked. Let's go. Okay, that was a pretty easy round. GG. Okay. So guys, that is gonna be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you guys did, make sure to give it a like. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!